of course, Maayong Buntag Cebu. Give yourselves a round of applause, please, for being here today.
Pinalangga na akong Subuanon nga nagagikan sa nagadaling-laing parte sa tibuok probinsya sa Sugbo. Syagit ko mo.
We have seen the level of poverty in our country. But that can only change if you want to see it change.
This administration did not make a mistake in choosing you to be the leader of the tourism powerhouse. You can count on us. We are here to support you.
You can see it. You can feel it. You hear it. The Philippines, time is now. Tourism is back. Tourism is back stronger than ever, and we are well on the way to becoming Asia's tourism powerhouse.
We have come to one of the highlights of today's program, the 2023 Inspiring Tourism Entrepreneur Awarding Ceremony.
It cannot just be us being successful. It just won't work. We have to help you, but you have to help yourself.
Strong motivation to keep up the good work and perhaps create more better job in tourism.
Because I'm a very optimistic person, just like Joe.
We at Boholano, we are very friendly, and then we are very religious.
I will do my best to reach the dream that I set for my people.
As what I say on my blog and vlogs, I may not have hands to clap or to hug, but I can walk in wonder.
Travel, 2022 was quite a surprise for us. We were expecting travel to return, but not to that extent.
Because one of the important learnings during the pandemic is people would really like to go touch contactless or digital.
Welcome relief that travel is back, tourism is back.
Even the support of the government now for tourism as a whole is at a level that I think that brings us closer to competing, more aggressively with our neighbors.
And we brought tourism from 200,000 to 2 million in 3 years.
We re-established our Clark Hub. We added more aircraft here in Cebu. We increased the number of destinations.
Lakbay Museo dito sa Cebu sooner or later. And then I hope that you enjoyed this kind of facility because our facility is not only for picture taking and TikTok. It's more on education also.
It's our people. So wherever we are, know that you are ambassadors of the country. It's our OFWs, all the people around the world, and here, all the Filipinos. We're all ambassadors.
We have very rich heritage and culture. So let us be protectors and promoters of our own culture, because that is our selling point.
Anywhere in the world, we have yet to fully explore that potential. We have yet to fully explore the identity of the Philippines in that sense.
My message siguro sa mga Cebuano is to really keep making music that is unique and that is local. Kasi Asian music is the next big thing.
That we Filipinos exist in the chocolate world, but we have our identity. And that identity anchored in our drinking tradition.
When we open a business or any restaurant or anything, can we not forget to care for the staff as well? There's a lot of people who want to chase their dreams, but they forget the people who are actually helping them chase their dreams.
For our negosyantes who are here, who might want to jump into something like that?
If you enter po into a business, just put your heart into it.
The reason why we are doing this is to give fun and purpose, which is our tagline, to people with disability, inspired by my son, Julian.
Continue on to inspire the tribal people na we can, from your deepest pain is your greatest gain.
Integrating our ethnic, organic material, indeed from the indigenous communities as part of our overall concept of offering the best of the Philippines.
This is something which I love to do, but if I don't get paid, I won't mind. I won't fret, I won't complain, because I enjoy what I do.
Of course, keep on praying. Walk by faith. Because well-orchestrated na yan kung saan ka dadaling direksyon ni Lord. Especially if you have a very nice and clear intention to help others as well.
You know the thing, like for example, when you're traveling, some people say, put your phone down, you know, enjoy the moment. But the truth is, this is why I travel. It's because I love taking pictures, I love taking memories.
Approach the bus from behind, so I wouldn't know where to go. And then once I get there, I'd figure out what to do with my next steps. It's my way of figuring out what the universe wants to do with me. Am I gonna live through this or have an awesome time? The universe will conspire.
Little said, "Oh, galing, no? You can have your own show na kahit walang camera, crew, wala kang director, kahit sarili mo lang." And then I started 2018, and then the rest is history. Still doing it now for full time.
Our country has so many islands, so many destinations worth visiting.
Have to know your purpose because it will drive your discipline and kind of motivation to keep making content.
You know, empowering women like me, the small, petite, and a product of domestic violence. Because I really want to empower women who've been through a lot like me.
Whatever content you're creating, whatever story, whatever clothes you're making, whatever food you're selling, there should be a level of mindfulness and awareness that it starts from the heart, that it starts from the soul, and it starts from being able to actually work with your own local community in bringing your message forward.
You have to have the spirit of being passionate, persevering, and always have an optimistic mindset. Let's all work hard to make this country achieve greater prosperity for every Filipino. Maraming salamat.